In the vastness of the desert, a man named Hazrat Mossa found himself in deep conversation with Allah. As the wind whispered through the sand dunes, Musa sought guidance and wisdom from the Almighty. With unwavering faith, Musa asked Allah for strength and courage to lead his people out of oppression. He sought divine intervention to part the mighty sea, allowing his followers to escape their pursuers. In the sacred dialogue, Musa listened intently as Allah bestowed upon him the commandments that would shape the moral fabric of humanity. The words echoed through the mountains and resonated in Musa's heart as he vowed to uphold these teachings and guide his people towards righteousness. As the conversation unfolded, Musa's faith grew stronger, and he found solace in the presence of Allah. The images of their encounter capture the essence of this profound connection, as Musa's face radiates with divine enlightenment. Through these pictures, we witness the profound bond between Hazrat Mossa and Allah, a bond that transcends time and space. It is a testament to the power of faith and the unwavering belief in the divine. Join us on this spiritual journey as we delve into the conversation between Hazrat Mossa and Allah and witness the transformative power of their encounter. Let these images transport you to a realm where faith and devotion intertwine and where miracles become a reality.